So today's project is brought to you by Obisan3D. They make these custom 3D printed cargo lights that are plug and play and meant to go where your third row seatbelt is supposed to be. Let's check it out. This one's to piggyback off of their hatch light, which is dual color. So it goes from amber to white or off. This is pretty cool. So they make this one as well, and we're gonna go ahead and install the ones that go here just to get additional lighting here in the back. So the first step is to pop the plastic out, get yourself a little trim remover, and they just pop right out. Same thing on this side. We're gonna go ahead and pop that one out. As you can see, they print to spec because this thing is literally an exact copy. So it is meant to fit, just clipping back in here, or obviously in like this. There is some wiring required. I know I said it was plug and play, but you have to connect these two, and then I already have a wiring harness going up to the hatch light, so therefore I'm gonna just tap into that one that's in the back here. I believe when you order yours, it'll come with an actual wiring harness that taps into your light that you have here, your little puddle light. All right, as you can see, we fished the wire through the hole here and out the side. Just remember, you don't have to take this thing off. Oh, here we go. So it just kind of pops out a little bit. There's two clips, one here and one here. Same with this side. Clip pops out here and here. And then this way you just put a zip tie, put some electrical tape, and then you just fish it out. So that way you can get it through. So the kit does come with a wire that's super long. So that way you can sneak it up through the top, just so that you can link it to the wiring harness that I'm gonna tap into, which is this one. And then this one is a little bit shorter. So the one on the driver's side is gonna be short, and the one on the passenger side is gonna be your long one. So here it is connected. It's got solid clips on here, so it does feel very well made. The material itself is pretty firm also. Like, attention to detail, guys, is awesome on this product. Let's get the wiring done and I'll show you how it lights up. All right, so we got the passenger side snap back in place. I closed up the little plastic trim on this side. Look at that, guys, perfect fit. There's no gaps. It's like it's meant to be there. And again, we're just gonna fish the wire and run it through the headliner in the back. Just pull this out a little bit, and then it'll feed right through that channel, right to the other side where we need it to be, so that we can tap into our wiring harness. And here they are after the install. They're both in, perfectly fitted, and you could just turn it on both sides. You still retain your light that's in here. And like I said, I have mine linked up with this one as well. Also Obisan3D. And this is the lights at night. Look how much more illumination we get in the back. That's including this one here. But let's shut that off real quick. And you still get light. Pretty bright. I'll put the link in the description.